What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. I'm Jim and today I'm gonna be showing you how to clean a dirty, filthy, algae covered awning. And hopefully at the end of this, it'll look like new. But this is what we're working with, guys. This is several years old. There used to be a tree over here. This was in the shade is the reason this has so much on it. But the normal color is green, but it's black, yellow, oak moss looking, but it's green under here. And you ask, how you gonna clean that, Jim? You gonna pressure wash it? Well, not exactly, but we are gonna use my pressure washer to wet it down and to rinse it. But what I'm gonna do is use my pump sprayer. All this is straight up bleach. I'm gonna add enough for that to be about a 50-50 water to bleach ratio, which will put us at about 6%. You can buy more expensive surfactants, but I've had good luck with Gain. I like the smell of it, and it does a good job, and it's not very expensive. These are less than 20 bucks. Okay, we're gonna pump our pump sprayer up. Once again, this is a combination of industrial strength bleach, water, and Gain laundry detergent. All right, I'm set up. I've got my ladder here. I've got my pump sprayer ready. I've got water close by. I've got a brush. I've got everything I need. I'm gonna climb my ladder. Stick my pump sprayer so it's secure. We'll spray right here. Absolutely saturating it. We'll go ahead and get all of this top first while we're up here. Doesn't seem to be reacting right away. We might have to use straight industrial strength bleach, but we'll see how it goes. We'll give it a little dwell time and hit it with the brush. So that's good and saturated. It's dripping off. Get this side. We're not done yet, but we have made some progress. You can tell it's green now. So that's headed in the right direction. Those little hanging down flaps are a little tougher to get to just because there's nothing behind them. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna use our pump sprayer again and douse it down a second time. Give it a little time to dwell, give it a little scrubbing, hit it with the juice. Everywhere there's black or yellow, we're gonna spray. And we're gonna kill it. And we're gonna brush it off. And it's gonna be gone. I have now soaked and scrubbed this twice. And we're getting ready to rinse it for the second time. There's still a little dark there, but most of that stuff is gone. It's gonna look good after we rinse. Well guys, that looks pretty good. Looks pretty clean. Let's let the customer know we're done.
Oh man, golly, that looks good. Gee, but it looks good. Wow, super.
And now it's time to wrap this video up. But we have a clean awning, people, and it is indeed green behind there. Hey, but thanks to all of you for taking time to watch the video. Whether you came here to learn how to clean a algified awning, you now know how to do it. And if you don't want to do it, you need a guy to do it. If you're in upstate South Carolina, I can be your guy. That's right, I'll come by and we can high-five each other after everything's clean, like this awning here. But thanks for tuning in. We'll see you in the next video.